I just got the car back and you're already shitting on me, bro. What's up with that? I just got it back, bro.
Hey, dude, honestly, it doesn't look bad at all. Like, I'm surprised it's...
But I mean, all I need is the grill, and it doesn't look that bad, right?
It doesn't look terrible, no. Without the grill?
I'm gonna get the grill this weekend, but I mean this, bro.
From a distance, you can't even tell that there's no grill. It literally just looks like that GT350 front end.
This thing is so dirty, bro. Like, I didn't even have time to wash it. I just got it and started working on it right away. You guys are literally shitting on me because I didn't get to wash the car, but I mean, I was busy fixing the bumper. Well, anyways, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Hope you guys enjoy. We're here with 808 Pony and alright, it feels good to be back. It's been a while since I actually uploaded, but the reason why is because we didn't have the pony. But we're gonna be back 2 videos a week. I'm gonna try my best. We are here at a what meet is this?
A Street Alliance.
We're at a Street Alliance meet. Guys, look at that thing. We need to get one of those, I'm not gonna lie. Bro, oh my god, bro. Literally shitted on me, bro. It's alright, bro. We're gonna wash it tomorrow. Bro, cut it, bro.
Yo,
cut it out, bro. Cut it out.
BYOB Boba, yeah. BYOB Boba.
I haven't seen that. I'm not gonna lie. That's the first. Bro wants everybody to know that he plays. Like, bro, you're in my fucking shot. God, look at the bikes, man. Damn, that Beamer's on the floor.
dude, low key.
He's still in my shop, bro. God damn. No gamma, cuz. This guy just goes in there and let's start. You gonna start working on it or what, bro?
What does it need, bro?
Diagnose it.
Come on, you gotta inspect it.
Bro, inspecting every car in here, bro. The color on this is nice. Those wheels are sick as fuck too. Welds? Jesus. And it's lowered. But yeah, it is a GT500. This thing is mint. The color on this, oh my god. We got the little charger, and a little Challenger. I'm not gonna lie, man. I'm not a Mopar car, but oh look, I told them, bro. You seen the wheels on that, bro? On this car?
No. These
These lights are crazy looking. I wonder if they're like sequential, like when you hit the turn signal, does it like
the Mustang?
Yeah. The wheels on these are so mint.
I've heard of that before. I didn't know that's what that was.
Whoa, what is this? What is this? What is this? God, dude, the color on this, I always say it's, oh, you can't even see it. My bad, guys.
Yeah, it is a mod. Dude,
I always say this about every car.
It's also 40th anniversary.
This color just looks good on any fucking car, man. Mach 1. I don't know. What do you guys think? Should we upgrade it to a Mach 1 too? This thing is nice. Ooh, what is that? Trackhawk? Yep, Trackhawk. Dude, look at the license plate. Whoa, look at those wheels, bro. They look like mirrors. Hey, I'm not gonna lie, that's pretty hard. Oh man.
Pretty low. No, it's a regular one.
It still looks clean though.
It's cool though.
Big ass wheels, huh? Oh, bag. This color, I've always had a thing for this color. I'm not gonna lie.
Lobo? Yeah, what is that? What does that mean again? Lobo?
Damn, we got the cops here already. I'm almost 100% sure this guy caught the cops, man.
Just tell him, dude.
Boy with the shiny wheels. Alright. Damn, you see that tire in the back?
Oh, I didn't even know. It's like homeboy.
Yo, you guys see the color on this thing?
Edgar.
Alright, not bad. Oh man, this thing is so mint. Look at the tire on this thing. Golly. This thing is huge, bro. Oh, what? That thing gotta spit flames or something. I need to see this in action, I'm not gonna lie. This thing better not let me down. We gotta spit some big ass flames. Imagine this just starts revving it, bro. I'll be shitting it.
I like the wing on these.
On which ones? Oh, on these? Oh shit, it's a California special, bro. Oh, this one spits fires too. You could tell he already fucked some shit up.
Those are pretty nice wheels.
Bro, the side screw on this is pretty hard.
The little things they put on the side. Oh,
On the door?
Chill as fuck. Hey, wait. Chill as fuck.
Jesus, I'm not gonna lie, we need to upgrade. Remember when these came out, I was all over these cars. This 197. Oh, what's this? Yeah, this thing is nice, bro. Boy got the tire too.
I love the 197.
I know, this shit's clean.
Sick. He's on a drag pack too.
Hell yeah.
This thing looks sick.
We got a SS. We got the LED. Bro, literally inspecting every car, man. All right, look, this it's pretty solid. I ain't gonna lie. I just like how the lights look on these. Damn, the green on this thing just looks so clean. This is one of the new ones, huh?
Hey, that's like
Those RTR lights look good on these gen. Cause they're like, oh, you can't even focus on this thing, man. Bro, get the fuck out of my shop, man. This guy was in Cali Creaming. I think he was competing too. This thing spits flames. Yeah, man, we literally see this car everywhere we go. I see him on Instagram too, but I don't know who he is. Damn, this orange. All right, my boy, I see you. Looks clean. I was literally eyeing this car. I don't know what you guys think. I feel like bro's gonna get an Infinity. Look at him, look at him. He's gonna go inspect every car, literally.
dude, I can't. Like even the horns match. Yeah, dude, I'm not gonna lie. This shit goes
Bro doesn't have a grill and it still looks better than my car.
Dude, doesn't have a grill and looks better without a grill than your Mustang.
That's what I just said, man. Broken with no bumper. Dang, carbon fiber side fenders, carbon fiber hood. All right, my boy. Damn, I didn't even get to see the car, man. He's leaving already. Oh. Appreciate that, appreciate that. Gotta record every Mustang, man. Every Mustang gets a video. Every time I pass through this aisle, I swear I feel like I'm in the Swami, man. I'm almost in that Swami. Yep, Swami. No, get my cut. This thing is nice, I ain't gonna lie. I ain't a truck guy, but gotta get props where it's due. This thing's clean. Look at this thing, man. Z28. Once again, man, this thing is just so clean. Like, god damn. Oh, bro, really modeling.
Look at that.
Look at that, look at that. I need a dog, man.
You do need a dog.
I thought you were my dog, bro. He's so chill. I'm not gonna lie. Majority of the cars that I compliment are JDM, so I don't know what I'm doing with a Mustang. Damn, we got the S2K over there. Oh man, look at this. Literally full of bikes. That blue bike, man, I swear, is so clean. I don't know, I feel like bikes are so fun to drive, but I'm like low-key terrified of them. Bro pulled up with an Accord full of stickers, man. That thing looks like it's ready to be in a NASCAR race. Oh my god, look at the license plate, man.
Is that bedazzled?
Yeah, it is bedazzled, man. We got the stickers. Tengo esposa tóxica. Damn. I'm not gonna lie, for an Accord, that's pretty hard. What is that over there? Is that a Supra? Is that... Bro got the Pokemons on?
Yo.
Whoop whoop. He's out. Literally got a Pokeball right there. Pokemon's everywhere. Oh my god.
Attention.
Bro got the little wing on it. So it looks like people are doing burnouts already. We're gonna get some shots real quick.
You gotta get a little bit of image up there. Are you finna come up here? Hell no.
Everything for content, man. Everything for content. What'd that do? What'd that do? I saw the thing on the
called it
shots.
like 20 minutes ago.
I told you. It, but it looks like he's knocked the fuck out, so I don't know. I'm like, I don't know, man. We're like backing up, bro. Hit some shit, bro. Guys, so I don't know how much we recorded, but the cops literally just came in deep. Wow, somebody was swinging it, so cop is literally over there. Cops are literally over there, and it's hella packed. So we are gonna get out through a different exit simply because I saw the cops over there, and it's hella packed over there. Wheezy out of here, boys. Got that purple Mustang over there. Alright guys, that's basically all it was. It was supposed to be a park and chill me, but you know, Carmeets never go as planned. I don't know if the camera got the guy with the red truck because it did run out of memory, but basically there was a guy with a red truck all nosed out and he was trying to swing his car, but looked like he didn't know what he was doing and he ended up blowing up his transmission. Then there was I think a Lexus. Damn, boy, you saw that? I think there was a Lexus or an Infinity, I'm not sure. He tried to swing it, and then the cops came right away, and then everybody started running. So I was like, you know what, I'm not about to get another ticket again. But you know, we got the Mustang back. We still got to order some grills, fix it up. Hope you guys enjoy. Leave a like, comment, share, subscribe, do all those things. Till next time.